Are you still using a flip phone? I don't think so. You're probably using a smartphone. Well, today I'm going to show you the smartphone of robot cable management. Hi, I'm David Sandeland, Automotive and Robotics Sales Manager at IGUS. And today I'd like to show you some of the key features of a very unique product we manufacture, Triflex R. Triflex R is a three-dimensional cable carrier predominantly used on robots, but is not exclusively used on robots. It can be used in a wide variety of other applications such as machine tools and amusement park rides. It is available in 5 styles and 9 sizes. There are 4 main features that all 5 styles of Triflex share. And these features have been designed to prevent cable failure and increase robot uptime. The first feature is a torsion stop. The torsion stop allows Triflex to rotate 360 degrees over 1 meter of material. This is important because Triflex shares the mechanical stress of torsion with the cables. If you're not using Triflex, you're probably using a corrugated hose. If you're using a corrugated hose, you're using a product that resists torsion, thereby transferring 100% of the mechanical stress to the cables. With Triflex, we can reduce conductor failure and shielding breakage. The second feature is the ball and socket design unique to Triflex. This allows you to shorten or lengthen the Triflex or repair it in the event of a breakage. If you're using corrugated hose and you get a crack or a kink in your hose, you can't repair it in a link. You must remove it completely and replace it with a whole new piece. I'm going to show you how to do this and how quick and easy it is to do. We have a special tool to do it with, so each size comes with a specific tool. You can take it apart, exposing the ball and the socket. It utilizes the trailer principle. Just like towing a boat or a trailer, we're doing the same thing with this product. So now we've replaced or removed the damaged piece. We can stick it back together, click it together, and it's ready to go. You can reduce downtime on breakage of the actual cable management by over 75%. The third feature is a bend radius. If you've used an IGUS cable carrier in the past, each one of those comes with a bend radius built into it. Triflex R is no different. Each size has a defined bend radius. This is important because your cables have a minimum bend radius and we don't want to violate that. Triflex R is the only product in the marketplace that has bend radius protection. The fourth and final feature is interior separation. If you've used an IGUS cable carrier in the past, you know that we recommend interior separation to separate communication cables from high voltage, hoses from cables, or possibly cables with unlike jackets. Interior separation is just one of the 4 unique features of Triflex R. If you'd like to learn more about Triflex R, please click the link in the description below and read a tech talk comparing corrugated hose and Triflex R. Thank you for watching.